Hello children, I'm back with the mathematics subject. Children, today we are going to learn a topic heavy and light. When we measure or compare the weight of two objects, we use the terms heavy and light. Say this watermelon and apple. Children, the weight of watermelon is more than apple. So we say watermelon is heavy than apple. And we can also say the weight of an apple is light than a watermelon. Okay children, now let's see some more example to understand heavy and light objects. Okay children, see this pencil and pencil box. Do you think there is a difference between their weight? Yes, pencil is light than a pencil box. Okay children, now next example, tell me what is this? Yes, basketball and tennis ball. So tell me which is heavier and which is light? Yes, basketball is heavy and tennis ball is light. Very good. Now next example. Yes, pillow and brick. See, when we carry this pillow, when we hold this pillow is light and the brick is heavy. Very good, very good. Now we will see next example. See, there are the two books. One book is, which book is heavy? Tell me. Yes, blue book is heavy than red book. Okay, both are books, but by seeing we can understand, no? See, when we hold big book, heavy book, we can understand that this book is heavier than that book. So red book is light in weight and blue book is heavy in weight. Very good, very good. Now see next example of vegetable. Tell me children, which vegetable is this? Yes, very good. Pumpkin and peas. You have seen both the vegetables, no? So tell me which vegetable is light? Yes, peas is light than pumpkin. Now next example of animals. See this? Yes, an elephant and a mouse. So which one is heavy? Yes, an elephant is heavy and a mouse is light. Now we will see next example. Yes, very good. Tell me what is this? Yes, this is stone. And next one is feather. Very good. So now tell me which one is heavier, stone or feather? Yes, when we carry this, stone is heavier, but feather is very light. Even small children can carry that feather. Small children can hold this feather. Now see next example of vehicle. Yes, this is scooter and this is truck. Very good. So which vehicle is heavier, scooter or truck? Yes, very good. Truck is heavier and scooter is light. Now see another example. Yes, very good. What is this? Tell me, come on. Flower pot and next is flower. Now children, tell me which one is heavy and which one is light? flower pot is heavy and flower is light. Very good. Now see last example. This is the example of balloon and a ball. Children, see, balloon is light and ball is heavier. See, but the ball is small in size and balloon is big. That means it is not compulsory that if the thing is big, that means it is light, but sometimes if the things are small also but their weight is heavy, if they are having heavy weight, that means they are heavy. Okay, so by measuring only we can see, by holding, by carrying only we can measure the things. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.